Toronto, field dimensions and wall heights exactly matching those at Rogers Centre, an outfield boardwalk that includes a good-sized tiki bar and multiple robotic HD cameras for video feeds baseball operations staff can access remotely are part of the Toronto Blue Jays deal with Dunedin on a spring training home. The details are contained within an agreement on the construction and renovation of spring training facilities approved during a City Commission meeting last Thursday, a pivotal step in completing a complicated $81 million deal. Dunedin's unanimous vote in favour of $5.6 million in funding along with an additional $100,000 for capital expenses in each of years 6 to 10 of a 25-year lease pushed the process toward its endgame, with Pinellas County next in line to approve an outlay of $41.7 million. Once that is in place, an application for $13.7 million from a state fund earmarked for spring training facilities will be made no later than December 31 to complete the funding puzzle. The city part of it was a huge milestone for us in the city. We still need to get through the county piece and apply for that state money, Andrew Miller, the club's executive vice president, business operations, said in an interview Monday. The state funding is actually money that's been set aside by legislation specifically for spring training facilities. There's an application process. We, collectively with the city and county, have to meet the requirements of that application process, but it's not really a negotiated process. They may be looking for more information, or maybe some tweaks to the information we've given them, but the money is already set aside for spring training facilities, with the caveat that it's politics, and anything can change. Other teams based in Florida for spring training have applied for and received the state funding in the past. For the Dunedin project, the money would be paid out in 20 yearly installments of $1 million, with Dunedin issuing a bond to fetch the net present value of $13.7 million.